Do you struggle with photo clutter? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about 6 steps to organize digital photos here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And digital photos have really changed the landscape of how we take pictures. We don't have to print all kinds of bad pictures anymore. We don't have to print things in duplication only to find out they weren't great pictures. We can be editing as we go, but at the same time, it has led to people taking thousands and thousands more pictures than we probably used to take with a traditional camera. So a lot of us struggle with photo clutter. So much so that I actually have another video that you can check out by clicking the link here on how to organize physical photos. But this video today, we're going to focus on digital photo clutter. So photos are great, but digital photo clutter can really be overwhelming. So in this video, we're going to talk about 6 steps to get your digital photos organized and stay organized with future pics. So step 1 is to create a file folder on your computer and label it photos. On my computer, which you see here, it's my photos. So something like that, just to help you have a placeholder. And then what you do is you upload photos from all your devices that you've taken pictures onto the computer and drag all the photos into that file folder. So even if you do nothing else, you're starting to streamline the process. But wait, there's more. Okay, so step 2, we're going to create subcategories based on the types of photos you have. Now, you don't have to get into the nitty-gritty right away. Start with a broad category like 2010 or summer vacations. And after you've sorted all the photos into these broad categories, you can go back and sort them further. So, for example, within the 2010 folder, there could be a folder called Summer Camp. Or within the 2005 folder, there could be Alaska Vacation. So, step 3 is you want to create separate file folders inside the photo folder for each group that you identified in step number 2, and label the folders with a name to match the category. So as you can see, this is inside my photo folder. This is just a few of these subfolders that I have made. And step 4 is to then drag photos into your newly labeled file folders. So we are going from one big photo folder that has all your pictures into having these subcategory folders where you're sorting and organizing the pictures. Make sense? Okay. So step 5, now that you've got your photos sorted out, now we need to protect them. So back up your computer files onto a disk, a thumb drive, or a cloud source like Google, like Carbonite, whatever your favorite is. And for extra security, it's best to have things saved both on the cloud and externally, like on an external hard drive. Safety in numbers. And step 6 is to review new photos as you take them and weed out the bad ones immediately. Create a new file folder and label each photo appropriately. So if you're going home for an upcoming holiday, you can create a folder that has the year, maybe it has the name of the trip, and go ahead and move all your full photos into that folder. That's it. It doesn't have to take a lot of brain power to do this. It may take a little bit of time, but I think you will find that it's pretty easy with these broad steps to organize these thousands of pictures. And you can go back into your subfolders, and you can always make even more. If you've decided that, vacations from 2010 is still too broad because you took 3 different vacations, that's okay too. Just make folders as appropriate and you're going to get there. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.